To download Summer Clover on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an application that enables the purchase, download, installation, and playback of various games. This process is relatively straightforward. Begin by searching for Steam on Google, and click on the store.steampowered.com link, which welcomes you to Steam. On the Steam website, click the Install Steam button. Select your platform, in this case, Windows, and click Install Steam again. This will download the Steam setup. Open the Steam setup, and follow the prompts. Click Next, select your language. Click Next again, and choose the destination folder for the Steam installation. You can leave the default settings or change them as desired. Click Install, and Steam will automatically install on your computer. Once Steam is installed, open the application, and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. The Steam Store will appear, and if it doesn't, navigate to the Store tab. Hover over it, and click Featured. Locate the search box. Type in Summer Clover, and press Enter. You may need to click the gear icon and select View Unfiltered Search Results, and uncheck Hide Ignored Items to find the game. When you've found Summer Clover, click on it, select View Page, and scroll down to the Buy Summer Clover section. If the game is on sale, click Add to Cart, then View Cart, and choose whether to buy the game for yourself or as a gift. Select a payment method from the drop-down menu, and proceed with the checkout process to purchase the game. After buying the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To access the game, hover over the Library tab. Click on it, and select Games from the left-hand menu. You should see Summer Clover in the list. Click on it and press the blue Install button. Choose whether to create a desktop or Start menu shortcut, and select the drive where you want to install the game. Click Install, and Steam will download and install the game. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking the green Play button.